File name search is useful, but in a real SolidWorks project it is often not enough. Sometimes you do not remember the exact file name. You may only know the material, description, configuration name, revision, weight, or another custom property used by your team. In this video, I will show how Solidise helps search SolidWorks files using indexed metadata, not just file names. The File Explorer includes a simple filter that is useful when you want to quickly find a file inside the current folder. For example, I can type part of the file name and narrow down the visible results right away. But this type of filtering is limited to the folder I am currently viewing. When you need to search across the full CAD database, including all indexed folders, configurations, custom properties material, or other metadata, you need a more powerful search workflow. Solidise has two search modes, regular search and advanced search. I'll start by showing how the regular search works. Similar to the row filter, I can start typing a file name, part number, or other index text, and Solidise immediately shows matching results. The difference is that regular search is not limited to the current folder. It searches across the entire scanned database, so I can quickly find files even if I do not remember exactly where they are stored. Advanced search lets me build more specific search rules for deeper queries. Before using advanced search, make sure the columns you want to search by are enabled in the File Explorer. Once they are visible there, they will also be available in the Advanced Search column picker. Now let's create a simple advanced search rule. In this example, I want to find parts where the mass is greater than 0.1 kilograms, and the file name contains the word left. This kind of search is useful when one condition is not enough. Instead of searching only by name or only by weight, I can combine multiple rules to narrow down the results and find a more specific group of parts in the scanned database. As we can see, this advanced search returns only one result from the entire scanned database. Because the search is based on rules, the results update depending on the values we enter. If I change the mass limit, Solidise recalculates the search and shows a different set of matching files. Advanced search can be turned off by closing the Advanced button. When I open Advanced Search again, the same rules are still there, so I can continue using them without rebuilding the search from scratch. The rules remain saved until I choose to delete them. That is a quick overview of search in Solidise. With regular search, you can quickly find files across the scanned database. With advanced search, you can go deeper and filter by custom properties, configurations, material, mass, and other index data.